Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel with sugar. Begin by measuring 1 cup sugar and 2 tablespoons water, then heat gently over medium-low heat. Stir until sugar dissolves, then stop stirring and let it simmer to amber color. Use a candy thermometer to reach about 350 degrees F for dark caramel or 320 degrees F for lighter color. Remove from heat and carefully whisk in butter or cream for a silky finish. In this video, I will explain how to make caramel with sugar. Prevent crystals by using clean equipment and dissolving stray granules on the pan sides with a wet pastry brush. Once sugar is melted, stop stirring to avoid seeding crystallization. If crystals form, add a splash of water and reheat slowly until the mixture is smooth again. Patience and gentle heat are key to glossy, even caramel. In this video, I will help with how to make caramel with sugar. Taste and texture depend on temperature. Cook to darker amber for deeper flavor or lighter for milder sweetness. Stir in a pinch of salt to lift flavors and balance richness. When you reach the target temperature, carefully whisk in butter and warm cream for a smooth, pourable caramel sauce perfect for drizzling over desserts or folding into recipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.